Okay, before I lose myself in excitement, because you know what's going to happen, okay? First, I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mothers out there. What y'all do, unmatched, okay? So Happy Mother's Day to all the human mamas out there. Human mamas, child, what is to all the mamas out there with them human babies. Ooh, they be a lot. I know, because I was a lot. Woo, child. My mama a headache every other day. And that was me being considerate, okay? Every other day, okay? So to the mothers out there with the human babies, Happy Mother's Day. Y'all know I'm a fur mommy. I'm a fur baby mommy. So to all the other fur baby mommies, Happy Mother's Day. And she is appreciated. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Now listen, just real quick, okay? Because last time I unboxed, when I unboxed my speedy flight mode, I was told I talked too much. And listen here, Cletus, it is what it is, okay? But I'm gonna try to keep it breezy today, okay? As far as the subscribe button, acquaintances, people who be lurking in the bushes, even though I appreciate you, okay? Don't get it wrong, I appreciate you. But the subscribe button is free, okay? It is free. You don't gotta save up or nothing. It is free. But let's talk about why we all here, okay? Me included. I got a Mother's Day present from my baby daddy. Okay. Two things. I'm gonna wrap it up. I know. Stop talking about me, all right? It's Mother's Day. He got me this for Mother's Day. I got two concerns. Why is it so big? Okay? And I don't want to sound unappreciative, ungrateful. Let me explain, okay? Because he listening. Well, one in the stipulate. Hold on. So, why is it so big? I already own 4 key. Okay, I'm sorry. My bad. He in my business. Okay. So, technically... hold on now. He behind the camera. Okay, technically, whatever. I own 2 Keepalls, okay, and he owns the other 2. Ooh, that was so hard to say, chat. Ooh, but technically, okay, we own 4 Keepalls between the 2 of us. Is that okay with you? Okay, we own 4 Keepalls. So I am wondering why this box is so big, because we don't need another Keepall, especially me. Because I done hijacked 2 of them. I don't care what you say. Okay? So, hopefully this... Okay, whatever. Okay. Second concern is, I was told in order for me to open this on camera in a day early, because today is Saturday, I got to read the card. If y'all know my baby daddy in real life, he got a smart mouth. And the fact that that's the stipulation, I'm a little nervous, okay? And he here just to make sure I read the card. Yo, I hope I don't have a weekend trip downtown, if you know what I'm talking about, okay?
Next thing you know, ding dong, it's the cops.
But here you go. All right. So you're not gonna help me take it out of the box? Okay, that's nice. Okay. You know what? I gotta read this card so he can go. Because apparently he ain't here to help. Okay? Alright, here we go. Alright. Can y'all see? Y'all like, no? Okay, wait a minute. Let me readjust it.
One eternity later.
I think y'all can see. Alright. Now, oh, wait. Here's the card. Child, what is going on? Okay. So I'm gonna read the card so he can go. Okay. All right, my love. Thank you for talking. Wait. Thank you for taking our babies for walks and teaching them how to be. I knew it. Y'all, this is the. You lucky I want whatever's in this box. My love, thank you for taking our babies for walks and teaching them how to be brats just like their mama. Happy Mother's Day. Love, your husband. It says his name, but you know. Really? That's all I do to take for walks. First of all, I'm their favorite parent. Let's get something straight right now. Alright? If I walk out this room right now, guess who's behind me? Heidi. If you walk out the room, guess what she doing? Going to sleep. Okay, wait, let me, I'm just playing. Don't take my stuff. Hold on. I just play. I want my bag. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, love you too. Oh. He is such a smarty ass. But I love him. But I love him. That's a good man, Savannah. Okay, wait. Yo, write down in the comments if you know what that's from. I know like most of y'all do. Yo, that's a good man, Savannah. Okay, let's get this to the box. Okay. Is this the Keepall? Alright. I mean, whatever it is, I'm keeping it. Alright. Oh. 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 I feel it. I feel it. Hold on. Let me put this down. I take back everything I said. I take back everything I said. Ooh, I know what it is. Okay, I'm sorry. Look. Oh, child. Oh my God, he did so good. He did so good. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. So this is the Horizon. I don't know what size. Is it the 50 or the 55? The 50. Okay. Horizon 50. Product code number M23209. Oh. Okay. So let me tell you, just in case you're new here, I don't own rolling luggage. You know what I'm saying? I know I should be ashamed of myself as a Louis Vuitton collector, but I do now. I do now. Okay, so let's go over this together. Everything. Okay. Oh. All right. Okay, hold on. I don't even know where to start. This is my first piece. Okay. You're like, why don't you start by opening it, ma'am? Okay. Now, how I'm gonna do this? This is awkward. Okay. Here we go. So, Where the lock at? Okay, here we go. Here go the lock. Wait a minute, I'm trying to figure this out. All right, don't talk about me. This is my first piece. All right. So this, do you push it? Do you? Okay. So the lock turn, I thought you pushed it because it's like raised, but you slide to the left. Oh, I'm sorry. You slide it. Sorry. You slide it over and it pops out. Okay. And then here is the TSA approved lock. All right. Okay, let me put this down so I can open it. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. Okay, it zips all the way around. Yo, this is very awkward to like try to hold and show at the same time. But I'm gonna do it. Okay, so the zip, zip zips all the way around. Ooh, she smell new too. Ooh, she smell like money. She smell like money. She smell like okay, sorry. I should have opened this on camera. I'm about to act out and run everybody away. Okay. So here we go. Here is for your clothes. Okay, here's some information. I'm gonna open it later. Okay, it has a zip pocket here. Okay, that just goes to here. And then it has, okay. Oh, and then it has another side. All right. Simple but classy. All right. What else? The hardware. I'll show you close-ups because there ain't no way I can hold this thing to the camera. But the zippers inside are not engraved with Louis Vuitton. But the wheels, oh, that's nice. But the wheels are. Oh, and then it says up here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then the hardware on the outside is engraved in Louis Vuitton. And then, not the TSA lock, okay? Oh, let me zip this though, because it wasn't getting heavy, but it's getting awkward, which is making my arm hurt. Okay, hold on. Okay, where else? So it says Louis Vuitton here. It doesn't, see, this, okay. They should have put Louis Vuitton here on the luggage strap, but it doesn't say Louis Vuitton right there. All right. And then here's the handle. Now okay, how you get the, child? How you get the thing up? I don't know how to get, hold on, I don't want to break it. Girl, you ain't pushing hard. Okay. So here is the handle. Let me move the paperwork out of the way. Okay. So here's the handle. Okay. That's nice. It feels not like titanium, but it feels like a very expensive metal, if that makes sense. And then like it was very, what'd I do? Sure, I think I locked it. I don't know how you, I did, but I don't know how to fix it. All right, let me take this plastic handle off. You like, girl, the way you beating it up, you made her wanna wait. All right, so how do you put it back down? Girl, press the button. All right, my bad. Listen, I'm learning. I told you this is my first one. Hercules. Okay. So yes, to get it up and to get it down, you just press the little button right there. Okay, let's get into here. Even though it looks like all that's in here is a luggage tag, And you know, the instruction booklet. Yeah, so luggage tag. And then textile card. And then, yep. So the booklet, it looks like it's in 3 different languages. And then, no, I'm sorry, 4 different languages. And then it just pretty much tells you how to configure the TSA lock and then care instructions. Cool, cool, cool. Ooh, I like it. Happy Is it a pocket back here? Nope. Okay. Happy Mother's Day to me. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of my Mother's Day present, which was the Horizon 50. I'm excited. I don't know where she going though. My glasses fogging up. Is my breath hot? What the hell? Okay. So that is my unboxing. Now I can't see for nothing. I am blind. Can you? I don't even know if you can cuss. I need to figure out if you can cuss on YouTube. You like, girl, why you want to cuss? I don't know. Shit. But this was my Mother's Day present from my husband. And I love it. Because at first I thought it was a Keepall. But you know. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.